going on, guys? It's Jimmy G from Green Entertainment, and today I'm unboxing my brand new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. First off, I just want to say that I'm recording this video with my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and let's get to opening this bad boy up. I haven't had a Samsung in about, it's been a couple years. The last phone I had was a S6 Edge, and wow, this is just a shiny phone, man. This is a beautiful glass display. The back panel is also really bright too. Sheesh! Damn, this shit is fresh. Curved edges, pretty dope. You know, it's different. It's different. I'm used to having an iPhone the last couple years. And let's see, on the bottom side of the phone, we have an S Pen all the way to the left. We have a speaker, it's right next to the S Pen, and then we have the USB-C port for charging. Oh, look, oh, okay. Damn, I look good. That's a joke, but over here we have the 3 cameras, and this was definitely one of the reasons why I wanted to switch to Galaxy. The cameras on the Galaxy are 100 times better than the iPhone. You can't tell me it's not. This is the real deal. Alright, we gotta peel this off now. Over here we have the brand new S Pen. Which kind of reminds me of a DS Lite. You just instead of pulling it out of the side though, you pull it out of the bottom. I think Samsung's biggest thing is they're innovators. I mean, if you think about it, they've come out with the fold phone, the flip phone, come out with all these different phones, and Apple just sticks to their same thing. But Samsung likes to take big risks, and it's definitely paying off in the long run. You know, you gotta switch it up sometimes to get some new customers, or even keep the same customers. Over here in the box, we have the pin, and we also have a USB-C cable for the charger. And let's start this up. This screen is just really beautiful. This is the brightest screen on the market you can get. Cannot wait to start using this phone. Hey guys, I definitely am going to have more videos about the S22 Ultra, and also just a quick video to show what the phone looked like out of the box. And the feeling I get when I open a brand new phone or a laptop, you know, some kind of tech you're going to have for the next 5 or 6, 7, 10 years maybe, who knows, is like I feel like a little kid opening up that gift you just really wanted for Christmas. It's an exciting thing to do, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. And I appreciate you guys watching this video. Please drop a like and subscribe, and have a good day. God bless.